My name is Connor King with Bird's Eye Video LLC, and today we're getting some action shots of this car for our promo video. And I control where the helicopter goes, and I'm the pilot of the helicopter.
I'm Banks Nash, and I'm the camera operator. I'll control the pan and tilt while Connor's flying.
And this setup allows for unique aerial shots that you can't get any other way.
Swish, swoosh, bang, bang, and I'm working on my body like a chimpanzee. Zang, not the only player with the big prize, not the only player with the big brown eyes. Roll like a train in the middle of the block. You better call the cops, I'm playing on the clock. Yo, swag, swag, working on my swag, venom in the booty, and I got my gang. Still run so higher. All we know is higher. 5, 4, 3. Yeah, wham, bam, super tramp. And I tipping up my hat while I boost the fans. And I hover up top, can you feel the noise? All the girls scream now cause they want the boys. Yo, making all the clouds looking like a big joke. When I run so fast and I sing so low. And you never wanna mess with me, you're just dissing me. I just set me free, so just stop. We cool, we hot, we freshin'. We know we all confessin'. My bling bling catch your eye. Better pull up those shades when I'm walking by. So give a bitty high five on the street. Next time I wanna fly by, feel the heat. Cause I'm on the roll, I lose control. Want you to know, it's how it goes. Still run so